Are you still struggling to get a better audio result in your online classrooms, meetings, coaching sessions, or even while watching movies or playing games? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I am Tanmay Mehta, your electronic consultant and at Touchwood Automations, and today we are going to speak about JBL's newly launched and upgraded 2-channel stereo desktop monitors, which is 104BT. Now this time I will not at all tell you to subscribe here and will definitely not tell you to turn on the notifications, because I know that our videos are any which ways going to make you do that, because every week we are trying to bring in more and more value oriented video which is with a honest review, which is with the product details, which is with what sort of applications it has, and it has helped many of our viewers come to a conclusion, or it has helped them guide better while making any particular electronic purchase. And I know that you would do this particular subscription for sure. Now coming back to the home office struggle, laptops or desktops have been the newfound best friends of all of us. Right from our workstations to your kids' classroom or your Zoom family gatherings, or even at times watching your friends' celebrations. It can be online gaming hours, it can be binge watching on Netflix. I know that your laptop or desktop has been the best companion in doing all of these things. Now, in fact, a recent report actually stated that in India, post-lockdown, there was almost 30% of rise in the consumption of the computers and the tablets market, as we are all adopting to this new virtual office and classroom lifestyle. I know you would agree. If you already do, make sure to hit like over here. Now, this has actually given a great boost to the computer audio segment for increasing their product range to fulfill this particular rising demand of a much more better audio quality, which is required for your all these other applications that we just discussed. Now, few of the brands that have continued to dominate in this segment are Creative, Logitech, Artis, Harman Kardon, Klipsch. Now, if you have used any of these 5 brands, drop in your answers, drop in the models that you have used in the past in the comments below, and let us see the reactions of people on it. Now, JBL in the past has also played very well in this particular computer audio segment with their products like Djembe, Pebbles, Creature, or Duet, or probably Soundsticks by Harman Kardon. I know it was from Harman Kardon, but JBL and Harman are part of one same family. Now this time too, JBL has launched a new product called JBL 104BT, and they are going to make a big revolution in this particular segment. Now the reason why is because these are very compact active monitors which are coming with the Bluetooth feature, as the name suggests, and they have primarily targeted to all the newer professionals like bloggers, vloggers, musicians, or podcasters, and these are apart from the regular consumers. Now most of you will have questions like, how good really is 104BT? Will it solve my purpose? Or can I opt for something better? Or will JBL 104BT help me in my meetings or help my kids for their classrooms? Now, if you have any such specific questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below, because I, like always, will be answering them honestly, and I'm sure it is going to help you make quicker decisions. Now, JBL 104BT is an upgraded version to their last year release of 104 monitor. And the new feature, obviously, as we said, it's the Bluetooth, but this time it's not just any other Bluetooth. They have launched it with the latest Bluetooth version, which is 5.0. Now it's referred to as 104 because it has got 1 inches tweeter and a 4 inches woofer, which takes care of all the low and the high frequencies that is required from the speaker. This pair comes without a separate bass or a woofer unit, as they claim that the frequency response of 60 Hz onwards that these speakers can deliver does not require another bass unit in your particular workspace or your desk. Also, the main active speaker has a 60 watts Class D amplification inbuilt, which is giving power to the main speaker, which is 30 watts power over there, and to your other passive speaker another 30 watts of power. Now the benefit of having a passive second speaker is that you can actually increase the distance between the two speakers for very good stereo separation, and this can be well received by music lovers. This can be also well received by your kids who are looking to connect their tablets or iPads or laptops probably for any virtual classrooms that they enjoy, as they have got an aux input in the front and the more the segregation or the more the separation between these two speakers, it is actually going to make you feel that okay, you are also part of that classroom, because the sound is coming from, you know, the left and right channel stereo separation is very, very good. Now, the maximum sound pressure levels that JBL claims that this speaker can deliver is 102 dB. Now, I know it is very, very loud for a computer speaker, as the normal volume levels that you all require would fall somewhere between 65 to 85 dB. But JBL, as you know guys, it's known for its loudness. It may not be great in terms of the vocal clarity, but it surely has got that loudness which is required at times for certain applications like music, or it can be watching movies, it can be playing games. Now this speaker comes in two different colors, one which is black and the second one which is white. The white model is obviously, they call it as JBL 104BTW. So the W stands for white. Now, who really needs this speaker? Well, if you're looking for a budgetary home recording setup, then this can be the product for you. If you're looking for, let's say, a decent audio system with your computer or a laptop, maybe for games, then this can be the product for you. If you're looking for a good music playback from your phone in your particular room, then this product can be there somewhere, because it has got that Bluetooth feature. So not necessarily you just need to connect it to some third, iPad or a laptop. You can also connect it to your phones. So you can use it as a good stereo system in your room. But if you're looking for a two-way communication or participation in meetings or classrooms, then this might not be the right product for you. Because though it has, because it obviously does not have an inbuilt microphone like all the other computer speakers, but they've got an interesting headphone jack in the front, which can help you connect any normal headphone and use the microphone of that particular headphone to participate in the meetings. Now, for laptop users, here is one of the hacks that you can try. Connect your laptop via Bluetooth to this particular speaker and use your inbuilt laptop microphones. Obviously, they need to be in good condition over here so that you can participate in meetings. Now, you just have to change some settings. Like for instance, when you go to any of your Zoom meeting or any online meeting applications, you have the audio settings. Just go in there, change the speaker to your JBL connected speakers via Bluetooth, and the microphone can be your laptop microphone. So these are some tweaks wherein you can still enjoy that sound system for that audio part, and your input can go from your laptop's microphone. Now, here is something more interesting for DJs or music instructors or coaches. This speaker has got TRS balanced inputs. Now, what is TRS? T stands for tip, R stands for ring, and S stands for sleeve. Now, TRS input is like a larger aux connection that you have generally seen, and it is required for connecting most of your musical instruments, your equipments, or your DJ headphone gear, or it can be connecting to your DJ consoles. Now, this particular input will help you record much more better audio, and the performance will be enhanced a lot. So this is a good news for all the music industry lovers who want to start their own small audio recording setup. These are some important inputs that would actually make a big difference for you. Now, JBL 104BT is priced at around 11,500, I guess, online in Indian rupees, and it is a great product, but for a selected audience. It may not be a great fit for everyone, but I'm sure that the segment that they are targeting is pretty much as the ones that we have discussed. Now, those who are already using it and have bought it, make sure to drop your reviews in the comments below, because I'm sure a lot of our viewers would want to know the real feedback of these speakers as well. Unfortunately, due to lockdown, we could not get our speakers on time, but we thought that we should let people know about these particular speakers. Now, those of you who are looking for home office electronics, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, as we are going to tell you the top 5 or top 7 home office and family electronics that you need to buy in our next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe, as I, Tanmay Mehta, your electronic consultant, will continue to help you buy right electronic products at Touchwood Automations. Thank you.